Hi there, my name is Mihir Lakhtaria and I am a business analyst at QMetry. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install QMetry Automation Studio in your Mac machine. So once you have registered on our website, that is www.qmetry.com, for a free trial, you will be redirected to this page where you will be having an option to download the QMetry Automation Studio for Windows or Mac machine. For this demo, I'll be considering the Mac environment and I'll click on download for Mac option. It will initiate the installer download for your machine. If I go to the downloads option on my Finder, I can see a zip file that is being downloaded just now. You just have to unzip it and it will extract all the contents to the downloads folder. Here we can see the installer has been present to us. All you have to do is just double click on that and it will open the installation wizard. If you see a message something like this that the installer can't be opened, don't worry, just click on OK. Press Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on this and there will be an option to open it. Just click on open and here you can click on open again. I'll minimize all this. And there you can see the QMetry Automation Studio installation wizard is getting open. Now to begin the installation process, click on next. You can choose the path where you want to install the service manager. I will keep it as it is and click on next. And now the installer is ready to install the product in your machine. Just click on next and it will then install all the contents to your machine. So once it is installed, you will be having two options over here. One is if you want to launch the QMetry Service Manager, and something other option is if you want to launch the UI on your default browser. So I will keep both of these options on and click on finish. Now, as you can see, the UI of the product is opening in my Chrome browser, right? And the link will always be qas.qmetry.com. Parallelly, as you can see on the taskbar, the QMetry Service Manager is opening another window that will be of your subscription window. So I will minimize this and I will wait for this QMetry Service Manager to open. So first it is trying to validate the license, but as we have not yet subscribed to QMetry Automation Studio's trial version, we will be getting this subscription plan window, wherein you will be having two options. One is if you want to try the product for free for 30 days, you can select this option. Alternatively, if you have already purchased the product, you can enter your key that is being shared with you by QMetry team members and activate your license. So I will just go ahead with this free trial option, enter my name, enter my mail ID. Now always keep in mind that you have to enter the same mail ID that you have used while registering for the product. Enter that mail ID, right, and select the country that you have registered with. I will select my country. If you want to see the product demonstration, you can select this option. If not, you can uncheck this option and then click on save. Upon successful registration, you will be getting this success message that you have subscribed to the evaluation version for 30 days and QS Service Manager will restart automatically in 30 seconds. So just click on OK and it will then restart the Service Manager after 30 seconds. So we'll wait for 30 seconds for the service manager to restart. I will again minimize all this and I can show you the UI. Right now, as you can see, the service manager is restarting. It is checking my subscription status, and upon successful validation it will start the service. Now for the first time when you start the service manager, it will take 2 to 5 minutes for it to get started depending upon your hardware. If you want to see the status of the service manager, as you can see on the right top hand side taskbar, there will be an option that says QMetry Service Manager. Just click on that, and there you can see currently the service is in starting mode. Once the service manager is started, you can see the status as enabled. From using these three options, you can start, stop, or restart the service manager. If you want to update your service port, you can just click on this update server port, and from the subscription window you can see your subscription status. For now, since I have opted for an evaluation version, it is showing evaluation, the number of seats, and the duration for which this license is valid for. I'll just close this. As you can see, the service starting message has gone, meaning the service has started. To verify that, I'll go to my QMetry Service Manager icon, and here I can verify that by seeing this status as enabled. Right, so once the status is enabled, you can go back to your browser, go to this URL, that is qs.qmetry.com, enter your host name and port number. These details will be filled by default and you can authenticate yourself. This is the step that will verify that the service manager is running successfully, and you will be getting the message that connection successful. Now you can create a new project or import the existing projects as well. We do also have a template for you, wherein if you want to get started using the product, you can leverage any of the templates that are already created for you, and that's how you can create a new projects from template. So that is all about how you can download and install QMetry Automation Studio in your Mac machine. Thank you so much for watching.